We are now able to expand our services both surgically and endovascularly to provide all kind of procedures that that can be offered anywhere else. So we started the services over here about 3 months ago. I moved over here about 3 months ago, and the room also started almost at the same time. And we were expecting that we will gradually build up the services, and the things have been going pretty fast over here. The patients, I think the community around us and the hospitals around us have realized that we have started these services, and we started to do a lot of procedures over here. In the past 3 months, we have done about 60 procedures in this room, which is quite a good number, and we were not really anticipating such a nice start. It is previously the facilities like that did not used to exist outside the main cities, but with the availability of the technology and with the realization that the patient needs to be treated sooner rather than later, these facilities have now been becoming available in the communities. Still, it is very uncommon for a community like St. Cloud size to have this kind of facility. It is not common for that, but I think this was a need, because the St. Cloud is not only serving the St. Cloud, but it is also serving the whole of the central Minnesota. So by having this service available over here, we are at least saving an hour of time for the patient care who needs this procedure emergently. A patient who is having a stroke, the most important thing is to open up the blood vessel that is causing the stroke. The sooner we open up the blood vessel, the more likely we are able to save the tissue or the brain. So if the procedure or if the opening of the blood vessel is delayed by some time, then it may not be of any value opening up the blood vessel at all. The things that we realize that we can open it up by doing a clot busting medication, but that does not work all the time, and it is not safe after a certain period of time. So by using this machine, we can go in and open up the blood vessel, and by opening up the blood vessel, we are now saving the brain. We may still have some stroke that may have already happened, but if we open it in time, we may be able to save a lot of brain in there, which is we know that the brain is time, and brain cells are dying with every passing minute. So the sooner we open it up, the more brain cells we are able to save, and the better the recovery of the patient would be.